So it can do our writing. It can generate posts for us. So it can help us with social selling. I can write NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, email proposals for us, meeting notes, voice notes, something that I've heard about, I'm not sure about. It can create video scripts. So if you're prospecting on LinkedIn and you're sending your video scripts and you can't come up with ideas, it can do that for you. It can create resources. If you're doing SDR selling, and you want to tease your prospects and say, hey, I've got this resource for you. Would you be interested? And then start a conversation with that. And it can help you ideate questions that you can ask your target market, your leads. It can work on your messages and create messages based on people's profile or their post. It can create comments to post, and it can help you research leads, more so pains leads are experiencing, professional challenges. So this is something cool. This is something that ChatGPT just wrote for me today. It told me, please take note that this is just a sample of something. You can make some necessary changes according to your company and your language to use, and you should also proofread it before you send it. Just remember that it's not perfect, okay? So I would recommend a couple of tools. One of them is Grammarly, which I use as well, just to make sure that there's no typos or anything like that. And also, if you send emails, Lavender is going to improve your emails as well if you use it for emails. Just remember that. Also, if you're doing NDAs, contracts, things like that, get it checked by a proper lawyer, okay?